Hello guys, if you are living in Qatar and you want to do IELTS, then this video is gonna be great help for you. So do watch this video till end, because at the end I will tell you the institutes from where you can give the IELTS test. So first of all, when you want to give an IELTS test in Qatar, you need a valid passport. Valid passports mean it's not going to expire in the coming 6 months. And for Qatari national ID is an option. So valid Qatari national ID is only for Qataris. If you are expat here, you don't need to have that. It's optional. If you have, it's good, but only the valid passport is enough. And a credit card to register online. Okay. Now if you want to visit the institute, then you have to take these things like passport or ID card along with you, and to pay the amount you have to have credit card or the cash. Okay, now let's take a look at the institutes who are preparing for IELTS in Qatar. First of all is British Council. It is a well-renowned institute in Qatar for IELTS. So they give you the training for IELTS. They have different options for IELTS like journal, academic, and their training sessions also depend upon 3 months, 6 months. You can contact the number and ask the further detail. And then comes the Excellence Training Center, Qatar. It is also a very renowned institute in Qatar. It is on D Ring Road near Ahli Sports Club. Then comes EduTech Training Center. Its location is in Mamoura near Cambridge School. For further information, you can call Qatar Skills Academy. It is in Barwa Commercial Avenue. So the people who are living that side of Qatar, this institute is good for them because this is close to their location. Then comes London Academy Doha. It's in Al Thumama Street, E Ring Road. And then comes Aptech Qatar Computer Education Center. This institute is also on D Ring Road. So this D Ring Road institutes are actually the center. If you are living in this area, then you have two options. One is Aptech and the other one is Excellence Training Center. Both institutes are good, so you can visit them or call them and ask their fee. So now let's talk about IELTS test centers in Qatar. So basically there are 3 institutes that are conducting IELTS tests in Qatar. First is British Council. The second one is Qatar Aeronautical College, and the third one is College of North Atlantic, Doha. British Council conducts IELTS tests at 3 different locations. First one is at Alsat Street, that is their campus. The other one is Qatar National Convention Center, or known as QNCC. And the third one is British Council Qatar University Testing Center. So these are the 3 different testing centers where British Council conducts tests. Now there are 3 institutes. So if you are going to give IELTS test screen based, then you have 3 options. One is British Council, Alsat Street. Other one is Qatar Aeronautical College. And third one is College of North Atlantic. So if you want to give IELTS test on screen, then you have 3 options. These 3 options are available in Qatar. I hope this short video about IELTS is helpful for you and you will like this video. So please do like this video and best of luck for your IELTS test. Take care.